ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Lympung district level inter-school athletic meet ke Wkhd Wkhd Hills district kelas Sdang mentara sengi ke South Yayong ha ke Bagladan haduk ke South di school lawan penyishim bentah ketika Lympung mentau senam. Ya ketika Lympung ke punya da ke office jong ke district sports officer Noston Wkhd Hills district ke banne haduk lai sengi lenter lawan peli perda do commandant ke 4th MLP battalion ubala ke dor CM haringkat ke jingadon lang ke kong BCM DSO ke kena school ke no hikai bat QA. Hakatega skins Sdang ketika Lympung la sakhiru ke jingalek kai 100 meter race jo ki under 18 but under 16 kin thai bat shinrang nalor QA di ke jingalek kai.
Though you know that as police personnel, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities to fulfill. But I made it my mission that I should be here this morning with you because I remember myself as a schoolboy in the sports meet that I used to take part in school and in college. In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about: faster, higher, and stronger. This comes about from practice. This comes about from perseverance. If you look at athletes all over the world, if you look at athletes from the state, if you look at athletes from the district, they embody this spirit. Hardworking, perseverance, and listening to their coaches. Kongsim has already talked about how sports reflects on your life too. How life and sports is part and parcel of one basic element. The second part is sportsmanship, as you talked about. Sportsmanship is not only about competing with other competitors, but it's also about competing with yourself. The ability to be better than yourself. Today, I ran 10 seconds. Tomorrow, I should be able to run less than 10 seconds. Today, I jumped 4 feet. Tomorrow, I should be able to jump more than 4 feet. Today, I carried weight of 25 kgs. Tomorrow, I should be stronger and carry weight of more than 25 kgs. Sportsman spirit and sportsmanship is an integral part of sporting activities and is an integral part of your life. Not only to be better against other competitors, but to be better against yourself, to compete against yourself. The third aspect as sportsmen is that we need to be disciplined, is the need to be the integrity, that is, to be truthful in the way that we practice, to be truthful in the way that we compete, to be truthful in our activities related to sports. This also translates to life, as we have already spoken about. An integral part of our life is also about sportsmanship in life. In life too, we need to embody the motto of faster, higher, and stronger.
started shit. Big retail parents.